Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Forgot your own mobile number? Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. Here are a few simple ways to find it in no time. Method 1. Head to your phone settings, look for about phone or phone information, then click status and your number should be listed right there. Method 2. Dial a USSD code. Open your browser and type. Check your own mobile number in your country name. For example, if you are in India, search check your own mobile number in India and follow the steps provided by your carrier. Method 3. Send a quick message or call a friend and ask them to tell you your number. It's simple and effective. And that's it. Three easy ways to check your own mobile number. Which one worked for you? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.